Greetings to all. Myself Maheswari Assistant Professor, Dr. SNS College of Education, Coimbatore. Today we are going to see about approaches of teaching biological science. So, teaching is an art and it is a continuous process for the teachers. So, we need to approach the students in different ways. Mainly we are discussing here 6 approaches, that is concentric approach, topical approach, chronological approach, unit approach, correlated approach, and last one is integrated approach. We start with concentric approach. Concentric approach is a continuous process. Here we are starting the concepts from simple to complex area. That is, we are introducing the students from known concept to the unknown concept. How we are taking the classes, we are started motivating the class by using the already existing knowledge, isn't it? The students already having some past knowledge, based on that is a known concept. From that known concept we started teaching to the unknown concepts. Now the students feels comfortable and very easy to learn that particular content in a better way. For example, we are taking the biology class, we need to take the structure of a cell, isn't it? The student aware about that cell. We normally we can ask that what is meant by a cell. Immediately they will answer it is a structural and a functional unit of an organism. And then we can differentiate the plant cell. What is the difference between plant cell and animal cell, we can ask. They will say about the plasma membrane is present in the animal cell and cell wall is present in the plant cell. Likewise, they start answering. After that, we introduce the other organelles. We start regularly introducing the nucleus as an important organelle, and then mitochondria, then lysosomes. Likewise, we started introducing the organelles one by one. The student starts learning easily. That is, we start teaching the content from known to the unknown concept. That approach is said to be as concentric approach. Second one is topical approach. That is, based on the topic only we have to take the class. For example, I need to take the structure of a cell. After that, I need to introduce about the microorganism and other things and all. Which one I need to take now? First, I need to explain the cell structure clearly, and then when started introducing the structure of a bacteria, structure of a virus, likewise. So, based on the topic, we need to talk to the students. And third one is chronological order. That is, for example, we need to teach the everything in an order wise. For example, year wise. For example, Darwin started the theory at the age of 1890s. Clear? So, we started introducing that concept first, and then genetics is introduced in 1900. When we introduced the Darwin theory, after that we started explaining about the genetic theory. We need to bring that content in a chronological approach, so the students understands about the evolution techniques and all. And last one is unit approach. Whatever we are taking, for example, when we take the biology sections, we start with the diversity of the living organism, then cell structure, then immunology, then about the microorganisms, then about the mental health and hygiene, and last we end with environmental education. So based on the unit, we can start explaining the content, and the students feel very comfortable and easy. When we are taking the environmental science education as the first and the cell structure as the second, the students are very comfortable with the environmental structures because it is a very easy concept. When we are taking the very hard concepts in the first unit or second unit, they feel uncomfortable. So we can start with the complicated structures first, from known concept to unknown concept, and then we can end up in the easy area. So unit approach is also very important. And then correlated approach. Correlation means we can relate one subject with other subject. For example, biological science, botany always relate with zoology, and zoology and botany always relates with physical science and biological science. And there is always a correlation with mathematics and also with the language subjects too. We can relate our subjects with the other subjects too. How it is related with other subjects, we need to introduce here. And last one is integrity. What are the subjects? We are separately learning as biology, mathematics, language, physical science, computer science, mathematics, all the subjects are integrated together as an education system. So with this, the approaches of teaching biology we are learning here on all the pedagogy subjects are starts learning their subject approach, but altogether all the subjects are integrated together as a common pedagogy subjects. Okay, thank you.